We are back for another fantastic Game Jam dev stream. I slept like shit, but that's okay, because we're gonna be deving it. Let me put my fucking headphones on. I had them off, and it's probably gonna sound like ass if I don't put them back on, so that's good. Hello? There we go. Okay. It's always a bit finicky to get these headphones plugged back in with this new cable, because it doesn't bottom out early enough, so sometimes you can accidentally push it a bit too far and lose one of the signals. So let's do this. Plugged it in perfect first try. Let's go. So I've been modeling for the last little bit. Last night I basically spent a bunch of time making this low poly thing. So let's go ahead and just I have no idea how I'm going to texture this guy, but you know what, it's fine. Let's see if he'll even import right now. Alright, we need game stuff, Unity projects, there we go. Oh wait, no, this can go in models. Alright, there we go. Okay. Let's just go for it. This one is really important that we do this though. Alright, boom. I actually haven't shown you guys the project yet, because I did do a lot of changes. Doesn't look that different until you press play. Oh, wow, thanks for spawning me in there. I'm gonna turn off my music because the sound effects are kind of quiet. We have most of the like basic idea of houses done. I might actually change up this road texture a little bit and maybe make it a model, just because it's a nightmare with what's going on in here. So yeah, I might change that out. The model distortion is going nice though. I wish it didn't change when you move the camera. That's my only thing. Because I wish it kind of was all weird in in world space. So I tried to do that, but it didn't work out that great. So here, hold up. Here's our guinea pigs for testing. So the idea for at least what I was talking about is position. What happens if you do object to object? Oh! Wait, did I just accidentally figure out? I think I might have accidentally just figured out how to do it. I mean, it does seem like it's doing something. What happens if I rotate it? No, no way I fixed it. I figured out how to do it correctly. Why is the huz texting me at this exact microsecond? Would you rather... Oh! That is a good reason to text. I appreciate that. Alright, but I ended up fixing this, which is fun. That's cool. Okay, so instead of view, how about... What's tangent? I feel like this is going to break everything. Nope, it's just not going to load the shader. That's fine. World space was that. View was that. What happened to object space? I think I already tried that, but what is this? Okay, it literally just messes with the mesh once, and that's it. But if I do world space, or sorry, absolute world, I forgot, my bad, absolute world, then I think it won't cause any weirdness when I look around anymore. It'll just kind of have this like funky look to it, which I'm all for personally. Like, it also seems like things are holding itself together a little better too. Let's see. What if I try like subtracting the view rotation? Because the moving around was cool. It's just that it's not the rotation that's the problem. Or sorry, it's not the position that's the problem. It's the rotating and changing things. I want it to be when you like actually move around. So let's try that. How do I get rid of the rotation? Node rotation. Oh wait, no. What if I subtract the view or the rotation view from the position? Boom, boom. Now I'm gonna plug this into a whole bunch of stuff. And where's the other one? Right there. Yes, it is the top node. I don't think this is gonna work. Nope, that might have just actually made it worse. No, okay. I think I have something though. Hold up. View direction maybe? Ooh, 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 ooh. Hello. Nah, still getting a little borky. World space maybe? Okay, I could try maybe adding potentially. Nah. Seems like we're either gonna have to deal with like I don't know which one to do. Fuck. What if I multiply by view whatever? This might actually go horribly. This might be like not able to look at. Oh, it just does nothing. Okay. Tangent space or something. Oh, that's borked. It does nothing. What the hell? Okay, well, if that's the case... Oh, wait, I didn't save it. Hello? There. Well, if that's the case, then I'm just gonna settle with it being absolute world. Actually, no. Was it world space that was good? I can't remember. Oh, right. I had to multiply by cell size. I'm an idiot. Boop. Let me just go back to before this was like that. Oh, wait. Duh. Hold up. I didn't need to plug anything into that. I could just go straight in. There we go. World. Boom. Save. Kabuski. Some fucked up. It's because I didn't do that. Question is, do I like it better this way? No, why is there bugs? No, wait, hold up. Maybe I should set it to view. Oh no, that's not good. Okay. Yeah, no, back to view. I don't care. I don't care if it looks kind of weird. It's probably for the best that it's view. Oh, great. I'm glad no one's here. Thanks, guys. All right. Sure, we'll leave it like this, whatever. Okay. Let's implement some bullshit. So this will need to go in our map generator script, because it'll need to generate at runtime. Or like when it starts, sorry. So let's go get our map script here. This is a big ass script. Like, it's genuinely huge. But it's not big enough because we need more stuff in it. Oh yeah, here's all the texturing for everything. Leaves and roads and shit. There's the house, knob, window. Okay, there's my hand. That's actually my hand. So what do we need to do? We need to go and find when it generates a door. And then maybe? No, I need to make, do I need to make that visible? I don't know. So what I'm trying to do first is I'm trying to just like make it so that like if you knock on some doors will like have a sound play. So I'm trying to figure out how to do that. I'm trying to see like, okay. So obviously I need a list that's public, that's like, do I though? Okay, well, first of all, I need a list of bools. And we're gonna do is reactive. We're gonna equal that to a new list bool. Just like that. And when we generate a house on random, we're gonna add is reactive to it. And then we're gonna do if random dot range, we'll do 0 to 100 and 1, or sorry, 0 to 100 is less than 50, then isReactive.add false, else isReactive add true. So this, about 50% of the time, will make it so that we have a nice little list of every room in order, because I think everything gets added to in order. You can see it'll only ever do, so all of these lists are linked, where each index is the same as the other indexes in terms of what object it's pointing to, which is great because that'll be able to tell us where to like put everything. So what I'm going to do based off of this is when we spawn a door, if isReactive is enabled, I'm going to enable a script on the door that'll have like a sound effect that will play. And then that script by itself will be like, you know, it'll be its own thing. So let's go to Audacity and let's just record a nice little test sound effect. So don't show this again. I don't want your Audacity for beta. All right, so here's the test sound effect. 3, 2, 1. Stop knocking on my door! I forgot I had my window all the way opened. Stop! All right, and we're gonna change that pitch. Stop knocking on my door! That's so epic. Okay, the best test sound effect. That's peak. That's amazing. I love this. Okay, so I'm just gonna rename this to debug because I mean, wait, should I rename it in the actual project thing? Okay, debug. I'm just gonna rename this to debug, just so that there's no issues. Boop, beep, beep. Wait, the best test sound effect. No, I don't want to go into road. I just want to debug. Save. That better not be in the road stuff again. Good. Okay. Let's set that here. Set that all the way down. Cool. That's amazing. I love this. All right. So we have this sound effect now. Let's go. Okay, so first of all, we need a script as well. Scripting. Houses. So we need generic house sound knock. Oh wait. Generic house reactive knock. All right. So we're going to attach this to the door, and then what do we need in this? So first of all, we need an int knock tolerance, and then we're going to equal that to random. Oh wait, I think you can't have it like that. Okay, so void start. Oh, that's cool. No, don't do that. Go away. Void start knock tolerance equals random dot range. We'll do 3 because that's usually how many knocks it takes to get someone's attention, and then we'll do like 15. Sorry, 16 because we want 15 to be the maximum. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna do void. Sorry, we need public void. Public void knocked on door, because we're going to create an interactable script for interacting with the doors. So public void knocked on door, and then we're going to do knock tolerance minus minus if knock tolerance is equal to 0. Then we're going to do a fun little thing called playing a random audio selection. And to make this easier, we're going to do another int called type selector. and we're going to equal that to 0, and then type selector is going to equals random dot range 0, and then finally we need a serialized field audio source array reactive sounds. And then we're going to do reactive sounds dot length. And then this is basically going to multiply by 3. So there's going to be 3 different sounds in each category, and then keep going from there. So then we're going to do if knock tolerance equals 0, reactive sounds random dot range 1 to 3 plus 1 times type selector and I think I have to do -3 or something just to get it back to 0 if this equals 0. Wait, no, if it equals 0 then it's just not going to do anything. Cool. So, and then we'll do dot play, and then we'll do knock tolerance equal to a random dot range of 3 to 16. Okay, that should be all we need in terms of scripting. There shouldn't be any issues with that. Okay, cool. So let's attach that to our prefabs. House 1, where's our knockable? There it is. Nope, that's not what I wanted. There we go. Hello. Okay, let's attach the script to the door. I mean, maybe actually let's attach it to the thing that has the collider. That would probably be a good idea. Houses, generic house, boop. Reactive sounds, 1, 2, 3, and then, oh wait, hold up. I've realized I could just do this. All right, let's go get our sound in here. Don't play on awake. I want this to be maximum volume. Make it 3D, no reverb zone. There we go. All right, now let's just. Good. Now we just need to make a generic interactable script. Interactable object is what I like to call it. Did it just freeze on me? Nope. Object. There we go. Now this is going to be fun because it's, I think, at least going to be easy. So we need to have interactable object. And then since we're really only calling one thing, I'm still going to give it parameterization, but just in case. So we need, excuse me, serialized field, string, display text. Then we're going to do, we need to use Unity events. Using Unity engine dot events, we need a serialized field interaction event, which will basically just, it'll basically just be a thing that we can, it's like a miniature function inside of the Unity editor itself instead of being in here, which is fun. And then we'll just do, oh wait, no, I should make all these public. And then yeah, that's pretty much it. It's just a little like class thing that can be held inside the object. And then we can go back to our prefab, just boop. Let's add this interactable object script. Then we're just going to do knock on door. Interaction list, select this, generic house, reactive, and then knocked on door. Simple as that. And then, wait, we've attached this here. Right, and then we can just turn it off. And then we can turn off reactive. And it can be like, I don't think we need to worry about there being Let's just do... This is gonna suck if we turn off that. So I'm gonna give this a public bool interactive. And then all we're gonna do is just put this in a nice old if statement. If it's interactive, then do the thing. If not, then don't. Easy peasy. Lemon squeezed my dick, and he's in the jail now for doing so. Okay, and now in our generate script, all we need to do is make sure that we toggle interactive on and off inside our script. So generate new map. If there's a door, okay, where, oh, this is still the bridging script. Where is render out? Here we go. Okay, so here we have our road, here we have house. So this is our door script down here. Oh, fuck. If is reactive, and then chunk parents index, there we go. Equals true. Oh wait, I can just do that. If that, then place tile.get component. Oh, we need to make sure that this equals false actually, because we're turning it off, not on. We want this to be on by default. Oh wait, no, it's off by default. Never mind. I'm a dumbass. We can just leave it. Get component, generic house reactive knock. Boop. Dot react or dot interactive, sorry, equal to true. Fuck. Cannot convert from unity object to int. That's good. Chunk parents. Oh wait, no, this is a list in of itself. There we go. Hey, now we just gotta hope it doesn't break. I mean, let's see. We'll only be able to tell if it actually happens. Oh, great. Okay, that's cool. That's fantastic. Where was the issue? It was at 925. Oh, is that the checking? Yeah, okay. So, I think, is, oh my god. Yes, is reactive is the list. If is reactive dot object names. I don't think that's the right thing for it, isn't it? No, that is the correct name. Wait, we don't even need to worry about this. We can just do that, I think. Oh, wait, that's the wrong one. We don't need this object names dot index of. We can just... Do we need it? Oh yeah, no, we do. Never mind. Why is this having a problem then? This is... Oh, because it also adds an object name for that. Okay, that makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. That makes sense. Okay. Let's go look at this script here. There's no house specific one, so I'm just gonna do isReactive.add false. That's all we're gonna do. We're not gonna worry about anything to do with scripting, to not worry about adding redundant entries. We're just gonna march forward, because we don't have the time. It's already halfway through day 2, and I don't even have a functioning game loop yet, so... Oh, dope, we're doing this again. Okay, that's good. Why is it having a problem? These should match now, right? It does always add a thing to it if it doesn't throw an error. Why is it borking itself? That's not good. 927. I bet you that's the one script. Yep. Why are you having a problem? Yeah, so let's set parents. We just need the object names of tile name, tile position. Okay, hold up. Let me make this serialized real quick so I can see what we're doing in here. Because there should be a matching list of them, unless it's trying to call every single one, which is not it. Okay, so we should be able to see. That's cool. Why is it adding... Is it because it's also adding one for every... Yeah, okay. That's exactly what it is. It's adding object names for all of that. Okay. Chill, that's dope. That's dope. That's dope. Okay. IsReactive.add false. We're going to do this to every time object names gets brought up. Object names.add. Add a little clause in here. Okay. There we go. Ah, that was such a fun mistake. What kind of coding is this? It's C#. Fantastical time. Please don't break. Yay, it didn't break. That's good. I'm glad. Let's try knocking on some doors now. Knockable. Wait, what if I just copy paste the script name? How many of these? Okay, some of them are actually interactive. Why don't all of them have the same sounds? Oh, because they're not. Okay, there we go. Duh. These are all houses, right? Yeah. Okay. How am I getting all unreactive houses? What? Hello? Oh, wait, it's because I don't actually... That is not a problem with my game. It's a problem with me, because I'm stupid. I forgot. I need to go get the collider of it to do that. Okay, cool. Knock anim if it is touching something. Yeah. And then we're gonna do... I feel like there's gonna be some weird funky stuff with like defining something before another, so I'm just gonna put that above there. And then we're gonna do hit dot... Wait, hit dot... hit.transform.gameObject.get component. Interactable object. And then we're going to do dot interact. I think that's what it's called, right? Dot interaction event dot invoke. Boom! That's like a 50 perioded sentence, but I think we're good. I think we fixed it. I think. Now I think if we knock on a door, it'll do the thing. Hello? Why is it so quiet? What? Is it because all of... Oh my god, are all of these at the center of the map? Is your audio... Oh my god, wait. There's no way. Why are you over there? Why is... What? Did I mess something up when I was making the prefab? Did I like... Oh, I did. Oh, oops. I heard it work. I just fucked it up. Okay, cool. Fantastic. I'm so glad. Okay. Cool, man. I think this should just scream in our face now. Okay, that one just doesn't do anything. That one also doesn't do anything. Holy bad luck streak. Am I just getting unlucky, or are all of these actually just not working? Ooh! I think they're working. Yep, never mind. I think they're at least in the right spots. They are definitely in the right spots. Are all of these set to non-interactive now? Imagine the seed is just all uninteractive houses. Hello? Oh, there is a couple. This seems like less than 50-50. I'm gonna be 100% honest here. Do I need to adjust the luck on... Okay, there's one right here. Where am I as the player? I'm gonna make this one's wall really high just so it's easier to see. How close was I? Oh, there it is. Alright. Let's go knock on this door and get screamed at. This is so nice. I love this. This is fantastic. Oh my god. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. That's... I like this. Okay, where's the selection script? There it is. If it's less than 50, okay, well, how about if it's less than 20, set it's a false. So there should be an alleged 80% chance that if you knock on a door, it'll be interactive. Of course I spawned inside a fucking house. Oh my god. There we go. Now we're next to a house. Let's try this. Okay. Great first pull. Hello? Let's flip these around. Is it now gonna be like super common? I'm so confused right now. I have no idea what's happening. I wonder if I accidentally just fixed it by just flipping them around or something. Oh, does this one not have a... Oh, it does. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna go check the generate script, because I wonder if there's some funky business going on with the names here. Okay, so we shouldn't see any check marks before element 33. 33 starts with 1? It does seem to be working, it's just not enough. Okay. How about if it's greater than 20, add true. So there's an 80% chance for it to turn it on. Let's try that. Okay. 27 elements. There we go. That's what we want to see. Hello? Oh, wait, I'm an idiot. It isn't turning it on for all of them because I didn't attach the script to turn them on to all of the different directions. Spending all this time like, whoa, why the fuck isn't it working? Maybe because I didn't put the actual piece of code in it. It's like asking why your car doesn't work after you, like, nuked it or something. Like, obviously it doesn't work, you fucking dingus. You didn't put the right shit in there. Holy Jesus. I might actually just be special. That's the wrong one. There we go. Yeah, okay, there we go. Cool. There we go. Now we're actually going to get the amount of houses that we asked for. There we go. There we go. Every direction works. Just tested it. This isn't even pizza delivering yet. You're just annoying your neighbors. Oh my god. This is amazing. I like the like swooshing sound for when you miss, like you don't actually hit anything. I like that. Stop knocking on my door! Stop knocking on my door! Alright, cool. I mean, some doors having no lights, or some windows being there is cool, but you know what's even cooler? Having windows that have lights on. That's cool. Alright, so I'm just going to copy that because I was a dingus, and I didn't, like, when I was making the wall texture, I wasn't thinking right, and I didn't think to make a new layer, so... Okay, so that's when we had the window, so let's boop, paste that on. There we go. So now you have window, and then we're going to copy this, do a little fun thing. I mean, first of all, let's just apply these curves. Then second of all, let's get this window here, and let's uplift these black colors into being bright yellow. Oh, this is gonna look jank as hell. You know what? No, it's gonna look fine. It's gonna look fine because I believe. I might actually just, like, redo this. Okay, let's get some nice bright yellow, warm, glowy light in here. We can use that, actually, wait, I'm a genius. Oh my god. We can use that as a screen texture. Like we can use the screen blending mode on it. See, and then we do this, copy, boom, and now we set the blend mode to screen. And now it looks like there's light coming out of it. Oh my god, I'm such a genius. Are there any other ones that'll look better? What if you just do screen and then I copy out these things? Oh wait, how about I just delete those? Boom, 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 boom. Boom, there we go, window with light. Let's go. That's peak, holy shit. Art design. All right. Okay, after this, we can't do any more, like, texture stuff. We've got to make actual scripting to get the game going, or else I'm not gonna win this, like, or else I'm not even gonna get anything turned in. Fuck, okay. House, one, wall, window, light. Boom. It's like waxed weathered cut copper stairs type shit. Alright. Let's make it like the usual ones. There you go. Boom. Light. Boom. We've got light. Let's go into our house wall. Nope, that's the wrong one. That's also the wrong one. These ones. For some reason, it decided to be weird. Boom. Now some lights. Now should Windows now now some windows should have lights. Actually, to balance this out, I'm just gonna add another one of these ones. There we go. Okay, copy. Paste. Paste. Open this up. Random dot range 0 to 100 divided by wall materials dot length. Oh wait, I can just do wall materials dot length. Did you hear a cat meowing outside? Oh, Nimbus got outside. My cat. Gotta go to the store, okay. Alright, boom. Now we should have a nice... That's a lot of windows, actually. And a lot of them are on. It's kind of funny. This house has a lot of windows, holy. Distribution's a little funky. Whatever. It's good enough. Help! It's an emergency! I've got explosive diarrhea. I need to use your bathroom. I need to use your bathroom, please. Oh my god, I need to use your bathroom. I have explosive diarrhea. I'm gonna shit myself right here. Please, someone let me in. Someone let me in. I have explosive diarrhea, please. I need to shit right now. Please, I need to shit. Please, I need to shit. I need to shit, please. I can see... There we go. Turn that off. I see the window's on. Help. The window's on. I'm a fucking idiot. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Let's try importing that player model. Looks like things are fine. Oh my god, that's a big boy. Wait, actually, wait. Okay, yeah, that is a pretty big dude. Let's scale that down a little bit. Just a little bit. There we go. Armature. Okay, I think if I'm smarty pants, which I am always smarty pants, I can go ahead and move this guy around. Maybe, I think. I don't know. Armature, bone. Can I rotate you? I can rotate you. I can make you give back shots. Okay, how tall is the player? Because this looks kind of tall. Do I need to... Okay, there we go. So about 0.3 is the right height, because that's where your head is. So if I put you, like, here. How tall are you in the game? Oh, you're shorter than me. Okay. Oh, and you're gone. All right, let me make you a bit taller. 0.35. That's shorter. 3.5. Okay, now you're really tall. 0.325. Wait, no, 0.33. There you go. You're still way too fucking tall. .315. There you go. Now you're right at kissing height, pretty much. Wait, no, you're still a little short. Maybe 0.3 was the way to go. Yep, now you're right at kissing height. Mwah, mwah, mwah. This is weird. Okay, so I don't know how to do textures on this guy, so he's just gonna kind of be gray for a little bit. That's fine though. Let's close that up. Oh god, please stop. There you go. Okay. What shall we do? Okay, so we need a way to get people to actually open up the doors. And for that, we need houses that are like that will actually open up. So let's just have it where like we could just make it so that prefabs are like custom built ones that have the people and the doors and stuff behind them. So let's do that. Oh shit. Actually turns them the way we want. Damn. Alright. Let's go and set this up. So we need... I'm just gonna duplicate the default like house knockable prefab we have. Just because I kind of need stuff. Test knockable. Let's get you in here. First of all, I'm gonna name you something other than untitled. We're gonna name you person model. And we're gonna person model. Boom. Okay. So person model, come with me. Okay, I guess not. Where is the models then? Boom. Okay, so 0.33. That's real big. Okay. Why are you so big? Hello? What the hell is happening? I'm so confused right now. Why are you so big? Okay. 0.0. Why are you sideways now? Oh, it's because the... No? Oh my god. My cat is yowling right now. It's so loud. Oh my god. 0.0. Okay, that's fun. For some reason, everything is multiplied by a scale of 1,000. Sorry, 100. Don't know why that's happening, but that's a thing that's happening. Which is really fun. Okay, so there we go. That's the other way. Where's... That makes sense. Okay, so we need a script to open, or we need an animation, sorry, to open up the door. So I guess let's do that. We can use test knockable and just test open. Okay, we need to animate the dude here, so let's get him in here. Wait, can I just click record and then start moving stuff around and it'll... Oh, it will. Nice. Oh, the door's on the other side, my bad. Okay. So let's start by going like this, and then we'll go like maybe 25. Give this a little twist. How was that at all what I wanted you to do? Why do you... What? Oh, right, because it's offset. Fucking weird from the position. I don't know about you, but I think I told you to be linear, and you're not being linear. Yeah. I genuinely hate this so much. Fine. You know what? You don't get to have a fucking open animation for the knobs. You know what? That's fine. This is thankfully just a test door. Like, this is a one that doesn't open ever, so we don't need to worry about that, but still, that pisses me off so much. Okay. Let's go get the door then, and just... Right, of course, because that makes sense, because I totally told it to fucking do that. When did I tell you to export like that? I actually hate exporting models from Blender so much. I hate it so much. All right, now I want to ask you something very quickly. When did I ever tell you to set... Do I have something in here that says it should do that? Where? Convert units, bake access, weld vertices, optimize mesh, cameras, deform percent, blend shapes, axis conversion. Is that it? Do I need to turn that off? Now are you gonna rotate around the correct axis? I don't think you are. Oh, would you look at that? It's fucked. Can't tell you why. Is it because I applied all the transforms? Clearly not, because you can see they are in fact not applied. Don't apply transforms. Don't apply space transforms. Apply unit. That's it. Sure, let's try that. Why do you rotate around an axis that isn't what I told you to rotate around? You wouldn't happen to know, right? Right? It's definitely an interesting choice, considering all of these have transforms that are unset. Interesting choice. Let's try that. Why the fuck is the door now gigantic? Let's reset everything. I think it actually is doing it this time. I just fucked it up. So let's try this again. Let's delete this abomination. Let's go to the prefab because this isn't working, obviously. One point one. Okay, there we go. For some reason, it decides to say rotate around pivot. For that's the default for some fucking reason. I don't know why. That's so fun, guys. Fun guy? I'm a fun guy. I'm a fun guy when I have to deal with this shit. What is that? I'm guessing that all the rotations are now going to be fucked up. Who could have thunk it? So what, do I just have to delete 180? Cool, I think I now also know what's wrong with these. So, time for another fun adventure of exporting and importing and re-exporting and re-importing all of these. Let's delete this. Boom. FBX. Wall right corner. Did I accidentally export empty thing? I just fucking... How do I undo that? Undo. Where's the undo button? I don't think there's an undo button for that. Okay. Great. Fun. Fantastical. I'm having so much fun right now. Cool. Is this import? Good. This is import. Good. Wall left corner. Gives me a good opportunity to unfuck this, though. Why are you rotated 0.9 degrees on that axis? We don't need that. My cat is still yowling. Is it because I don't have the models axis converted? Oh, it's fucky because importing it makes it weird. Right, I forgot about that. I forgot that technically the axes are different for each of these. There we go. So now all we have to do is rotate them on the y-axis and we should be good. Who is messaging me? All right, script time. But thankfully, like I was saying, I think all we need to do is just remove these unnecessary rotations and we should be good. Oh wait, I need to put in a 0. Forgot about that. Whew. Got it. Let's go. Oh yeah, and now I can turn up the cell size on these textures again. Oh yeah, now that they're the right size, they're not like gapping out weirdly that much. Oh, I need to reset some of these colliders. All right. All right. All right. Now that we've done that, the person should actually, yeah, be the right size. Oh, there we go. That's the right bone. All right. All right, let's try this again, except this time with the correct, like, everything. All right. Oh, God. Sure, man, as long as the door opens. That's fun. All right. It's a little Hitler-esque, maybe. Let's put that down a little bit. Oh my god, my foot's falling asleep. Oh, that's weird. That feels weird. I don't like that. Okay. Okay, now I need a, alright, let's just see if it'll play the open animation, actually. And no. All right. All right, so I need to kind of do the other one, which was this. So we need to do knock tolerance. All right, now here's where things start changing. We need a serialized field animator door open animation dot play. Oh, it's literally just play. Oh no, I need to set bool. Set bool. Oh, it's the other way around. Okay, I'm gonna swap this in with the other one. So let's go to generate new map, and then we'll do house one knockable. We'll switch it to this. You're probably gonna get a lot of errors because it can't access the scripts. All right, boom. I knew it would break. Oh my god, it worked. Okay, I need to turn off loop time, obviously. Is it because I have it on exit, so it'll enter and do the same thing? Knew it. Alright, so I kind of need like a... Oof. Alright. Okay. Seems like everything's working fine so far. Alright, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna make a nice little cube. That's like 4.75. Just gonna delete the top face off. Oh, there we go. Okay, so I want carpet down here. So carpet, so for some reason that's the bottom face, which is fun. Okay, so let's make a new texture. Let's make it 512. How many grid spaces do they have in this? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 8. All right. So this one is up 6 and over 3. All right. We've got floor. For walls, I mean, I'm pretty sure I can copy paste it. I just need to know the back face so that I can make it dark. Okay, so this is the back face, and it's the one directly next to it. Cool. That can be entirely black. Whoop. Cool. My cat is freaking out right now. Okay, and then the ceiling is that one, which means that these two are like that. Okay. So yeah. Okay, I think it's just up and down, so I can just copy paste it, and then... So I think left to right is the gradient we need to do. Yep. We'll start there, and then we'll get darker. All right, and then we need to do the ceiling. And I'm guessing everything fades towards the back here. Okay, can we not be doing this, please? That would be really great if we could, not be doing that. All right. This can go in the textures folder. House inside. All right. House inside. All right, let's hope I didn't just screw everything up. Holy crap, did I actually do it first try? Holy crap, I actually did. That's crazy. I did not expect to get that on the first try. All right, so let's cut this and go into this one. Paste that in. All right. Now, if I'm correct, this should just work. Please just work. I don't want to have to do this all over again. So far, so fucking good. There's no Z fighting on the textures, right? Or sorry, Z fighting? Yeah, because I made them inside. Good. Let's try it. No! Oh, okay. I gotta make them ever so slightly smaller. Wait, one? It's this one that I need. All right, let's try this again. Now there should be no, like, weird fucking thing about that. Nope. Okay, we're still doing it. Thankfully, I don't think you can see inside the house enough to see if it like has a gap, so I think we're good. But hey, that looks pretty good. Holy moly. Oh my god, that's so cool. The only thing I actually am probably going to do is just darken the whole thing a little bit, especially this top texture. Yeah. And then I think that mixed with just kind of a general darkening. There we go. It's really janky, but I kind of like it. Also, I think I did a pretty good job on making it kind of like disappear into the dorkness. Like it's just kind of like you don't need to worry about it because it's just not there. This is just so cool. I mean, my goal was for today to have a finished working prototype, so I think we're gonna get there. And then we'll just worry about like the graphics and stuff, or the graphics on day 3 and 4. Do I have to turn it in on the 35th or the 36th? Two days, 20 hours. July 26th. Okay, good. So I do still have 2 full days to work on it, pretty much. And excuse me, I started at 11, so I've only been working on this for like 3 hours.
Because we're going to be deving it.
Excuse me. I've only been working on this for 3 hours today, and we've already got, you know, a not unsubstantial amount of progress done. And then the issue of these all looking the same, especially if they answer, we can just fix by like creating different textures. Okay, so now let's mix these in. So let's make a special house. Oh my god. I just had an idea for some of the sounds that like people scream. So there's like a small chance that the sounds that are played are like the get out sound. It was like, get out! I'm just gonna download a lot of weird sound effects. Get out! Alright. This is so stupid. Okay, and then
Nigger!
whoa! That is not what I expected when I pressed the Saibao Jacob button. I expected someone saying Saibao, not the fucking hard R. Oh my days. Sure, let's do that one. That's perfect. Let's do it. Oh my god, yes. Downloads, get that in here. All right, let's put these in the houses. Oh wait, no, that's the scripting folder. Oh shit, no, don't open. Stop, go away. I need a sounds folder. Unresponsive houses. Let's put all that in there. Boom. I don't know why it keeps defaulting to the two-column layout. I keep liking this one better. Okay, there we go. Even though it's technically not like... Oh, wait, quality. There we go. We can just crush this down. PCM. Oh, okay, fine. 1. I don't care if you change the sample rate. Go for it. Boom. How does this sound? Oh, I think it might, like... do some bullshit. Yep, save it. All right, streaming. Yep, cool. All right, let's do it. Ambisonic, what does that mean? All right, who is texting me at this fine moment right here? Oh. Cool. Riv, what are you texting me? All right. Let's go and get this into the door prefab. Okay, that's not what I want. Models, generic houses, house 1 knockable. That's the wrong one. Prefab, house 1 knockable. Open it up. Boom. Sounds. How loud are each of these? I want them to kind of match in like loudness. Okay, there they are. Put them over there. Put them about like behind the door. Okay, so how loud is this one? That one's loud. That one's pretty loud. That one's quiet. So let's make these ones slightly quieter. And boom, there we go. Sounds, house 1 knockable. We'll do brain fart, that, and then get out. Boom. Okay. So now, oh, that sounds weird. Now, oh, I forgot to set it back as the prefab, I think. So let me just do that real quick. Generate new map. Yeah, house 1, knockable. Yeah. So now it shouldn't generate anything else. It should just go, get out! Oh, speaking of. I'm an actual child. That's so funny to me. Alright, boom. Hello. Let's try spawning not in a house this time. Let's keep going. Does it only pick one? One through three plus one. Oh wait, if I set it to -1, I think it might. Is it only gonna select those two? Hello? Get out! Get out! I think, do I need to do like 1 times type selector -3 or something? I think there we go. I think that's what we had to do. Because that, I think, makes sense. Now I like actually do it. Nope. Pick random range 1 through 3. Plus type selector times 3. Here, type selector times 3. Minus random range 0 through 3. There we go. Foolproof. Hello? Oh, great. Outside of the bounds of the array. Dope. Oh, that's why. I'm kind of special. That one's a dud. I want that one to be the rare one, so hold up. Let me see if it has anything to do with this. Brain fart. Yeah, that's the third one, so I'm gonna make it like that. We'll see if that changes anything. I love how the sound effect is just called loud shit fart. I love being a game developer sometimes because I can just do shit like this. Free will. Did my stream end? Is it still going? That's still going. That's good. I'm gonna name these to something that's not horrible. Okay, so, horrible cacophony. Horrible sound collection. Horrible sound collection. Fart. Get out. And then in parentheses. Of snooping through the game files. Oh my god, it's gonna make me rename them manually. Alright, let's save that. That was such perfect timing. Get him! Okay. Let's go add houses. Cool. Okay, so let's generate some rooms here. Let's generate a couple of them. Generate, and then we'll do... Let's do a 5x5 and say special house. See if that actually just gets generated or if it borks everything. The special house should be the biggest one on the block, I think. Or I don't think I don't think any other houses can go up to did it just not generate or something? No, okay, it didn't even generate. Cool. All right. While through error equals true. Wait, hold up. Do blank. There. Nice. The special house does exist this time. Where is it? Can I find it with my naked eye? I think I found it. I don't know why it's not doing anything. I mean, it contains house, doesn't it? It might be because there's a capital H. Special. Oh, there it is. The special house, honestly, just this by itself can easily turn into like the party house because of how big it is. That could be fun. Like making the party house really big if it generates. And then that could be a key pointer. It's a really big house. Or I could do like, oh, hey, you might want to check on the guy who has a really big house or something. So we can do that. And then we'll do. Excuse me. Boop. Okay. This should be first. Cool. There we go. This should work. Fuck Oh, I got a DM. All right. All right, let's see. Oh wait, I forgot. Hold up. There's some wrong. Why is there a colon expected? Where could there possibly be a need for a colon? Oh wait, no, just a period. Object names, index of. Do I need to do this? No. Object names. There we go. I think that's it. Placed tile. Oh wait, I need to do this. Whoop. And then remove this. Place tile. There we go. Crazy. Okay, now I just need to remember what the fuck to do. So, this one. Oh wait, I can just copy this part. And then everything before name, which is just this. It's like that, and then just like that. Holy aeroplane. Oh, I forgot I had my screen share off the whole time. My bad, guys. The 0 people watching, I apologize. This is the literally nobody. All right. Let's see if this works. The big house should be the only one that has a knockable door. Also, please don't break. No shot, this just works. Nope, it's fucked. Okay, cool. Yep, good. It's fucked. Okay. Whew. Almost thought that there was going to be some, like, crazy happening where I actually do it first try. Nah, it's fine. Okay. Special if that's false. Oh, maybe it's because I didn't set the fucking house thing yet. Man, I'm so good at my craft. I'm so good at making games, man. I'm so good at it. You know, I forget to set fucking numbers when I was literally yapping about making sure to remember to set numbers. Yeah! Okay, now this should actually work. I can't find the house. I think it's over here. Is that what I think I see? Oh my god, did I do it? No shot. Did I actually just do it? I don't know where the big house is. I can't find it. Oh, I think I found it. Nope, that's just a bunch of houses close together. God, where is the big house? This isn't even one of the largest map sizes I have set up. This is bad. Okay, there it is. Pretty aesthetic placement of the windows on the front there. Oh my god, and this one? And this one? This is an amazing sound. Thank you for working, game. I'm so happy right now. Okay. So, next up, I just need to implement houses that will instantly win. Like, there needs to be a house that wins. There needs to be a house that loses, obviously. There needs to be... Yeah, so what I need to do is I just basically need to give houses, like, make a whole bunch that can open. Then I just need to have one that makes you win. And then I can implement the fancy speaking to other people. Can I, how big of a house can I make? Like, I wonder if I'm allowed to make like a 7x7 monster house. Yeah, just make a house that's like 50 feet tall. That would be funny. 8x8. 8x8. Let's see if the map can fit in 8x8. I don't think that's possible. So, in case it can't, I'm gonna save a lot. Damn, that was fast. I think it'll be easy to see when we find it. Oh, dear God. Oh! That's a big house. That's a big house. Holy shit. Thank you. I think it's easy to find where the big house is, potentially. Okay, cool. So now I just need to make a bunch of them, like I was saying. Okay. I mean, I could just put this in a for loop, so let's do that. Let's do random. Okay, so let's do a few houses here. We'll do one really big one. We'll do 8 by 8. That was funny. I mean, if we're doing that, then we have to kind of just copy and paste it, which is a little shitty. Let's do a party house, which can be like normal size. I don't know. We'll make it like 4 by 4. And then we'll just do a couple other random ones that have house special tags on them. Now, hoping this doesn't crash anything, we should just be able to run it, and then we'll have 4 houses that have, you know, the doors on them. Uh-oh. That's not good. Oh, did I not even press play? Hello? Oh, dear. Well, that's fun. That's kind of why my original thought process of taking houses that weren't special and then making them special were a good idea. Just because this is not ideal for a script where it'll crash half the time you run it.
Stop knocking on my door!
Oh, are we just going straight into it? Okay. Didn't realize that I got lucky the other times that I dared to, like, do this. Control S, Control T, force stop. For some reason, trying the nice ones never works. Oh, now other Unity is broken. Now all of Unity is broken. Cool. All right. What are we at? 2 hours 35? Damn, that's going slow. Feels like I've been live for forever. I was live for 4 hours yesterday. Holy sh... Okay. I'm gonna go take a break and then I'll come back. Deving this. I'm gonna go and do a nice little thing though, because I'm not making that because that's stupid. When we generate houses, we're gonna do this. If random dot range 0 through 100 is less than 50, Boom. Now it'll make houses special. Oh, I forgot I have my webcam on. I forgot I didn't show you any of that. I had my webcam on like the whole time. No, not the whole time, just for a little bit. There should. There we go. Oh my god. Alright, hi, I'm back. My god. Nimbus, shut up. Go away, Nimbus, stop. Okay, well, thankfully it looks like these are doing their job. Some of them have connections to people, and some of them don't. That's cool. Oh, I accidentally closed the game tab. Oops, my bad. Where is the... Fuck. also gonna make it a little more rare for the doors to have things that happen. Oh shit, you actually have a thing. Oh my god. Alright. Alright, hold up. Let's create some variants of this shit. There we go. Okay. Sorry. Alright. Boom. Get a slightly lighter color. All right. House to textures, house to textures, house to textures. This I think should be more of like a like dark brown colored frame. Wait, let me just make this. Then we'll do our normal like reflections and shit. I listened to this just a second ago. All right, I'm locked in. Ooh, I forgot to render that back out for my wall texture. Oops. I didn't export out my wood. Oops. This wood texture is kind of shit. All right. Anybody still? Is anybody watching? Anybody? 0 viewers right now. Dope. I'm proud of myself. 6, 7. Okay. House type. Please don't break, please. Oh my god, let's go. If this works, then we should be able to have 2 different types of houses. That was not the right place to put all those. Oh wait, no, it was. Alright. Oh my god, I almost had a viewer for a second. Dope. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my god! Alright, we're gonna make a build. Oh my god. Alright. Alright. Oh my god, there's so many tabs open. Holy shit. Okay, close this. Discord I can keep open. Unity Hub, build profiles, you can go away. This is so stupid. Hey! Let me in! 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 What's up, man? Huh? What's up? That was perfect. I've really got to work out whatever's causing the mouse sensitivity to be so low. But I think for today, that's gonna call it for the stream. I'm gonna continue deving overnight like usual. And, or not overnight, you know what I mean.